Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Melly and in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm doing these crumbles. These are the crumbles I'm using in my plum cake, for example. They're really easy to do. They are vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, corn-free and, like all my recipes, free of refined sugar. If you like this recipe, I will be very happy if you subscribe, comment, share and like. Don't forget to hit the bell such that you won't miss any further video. And remember, all the ingredients are linked in the description box below this video. Check it out. Let's get started. First, we add all the dry ingredients in a bowl, which are oats meal, ground rice flour, finely ground almonds, coconut sugar, cinnamon and some salt. Then we mix it well. Step 2, we add some maple syrup and some melted vegan butter. You may use some coconut oil instead, it also gives a very great result. We mix it well together until we reach the consistency of the crumbles we want. If they are still a little too wet, just add some of the dry ingredients. If you have the impression they are a little too dry, just add some more syrup and butter. If you want to learn more about gluten-free baking, just check out this playlist, Gluten-Free and Sweet. If you want to learn more about doing your homemade sourdough bread, gluten-free and vegan, check the other playlist, Everything Explained for Beginners. See you in the next video. Bye bye!